Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will be tackling about synonyms and antonyms. Before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Synonyms are words or expressions that have the same or almost the same meaning to each other. Common examples of synonymous words are the following: amazing, incredible, answer, reply, begin, start, calm, quiet, do, execute, end, stop, fall, drop, great, excellent, hide, conceal, idea, thought, part, portion, show, display, tell, disclose. Antonyms are words which means opposite of another. These are helpful in emphasizing a point, showing contrast, and explaining exactly the meaning of a certain context. The following are some examples of antonyms: absence, presence, broad, narrow, conceal, reveal, despair, hope, expand, contract, frequent, seldom, gloomy, cheerful, sorrow, joy. Here are some tips to get through examinations dealing with synonyms and antonyms. Number 1. Determine the part of speech. It is important to identify if the word is a noun, adjective, or adverb. After this, you may start eliminating words that do not belong in the same category. Number 2. Do not be tricked. In examinations like this, it is vital to keep an eye out to every detail presented. Number 3. Understand the context. If the word is used in a sentence or in a phrase, understand the context in which it is used. Any additional words that may help you in understanding the context of the word can be found in the sentence or phrase. Number 4. Substitute. Substitute all possible answers of the given word. Substitution is possible when you are in this stage already, since you have now understand the context of the sentence, which makes it easier. And lastly, number 5. Use the word in a sentence. In cases that the word is familiar to you, it may help you identify its synonym or antonym by using it in a sentence. Let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. Identify the correct synonym and antonym among the choices provided. Number 1. Abundant. Letter A. Less. Letter B. Plentiful. Letter C. Lacking. Letter D. Sufficient. The synonym of abundant is plentiful, which is on letter B. Number 2. Reluctant. Letter A. Hesitant. Letter B. Willing. Letter C. Allowed. Letter D. Disallowed. The synonym of reluctant is on letter A. Hesitant. Number 3. Cruel. Letter A. Compassionate. Letter B. Bad. Letter C. Torment. Letter D. Exhaust. The appropriate antonym of cruel is compassionate, letter A. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.